Welcome back to my morning report. Charles Rose on Thursday, 28th of January, with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets. Looking at cable now and sterling dollar. We've just had out the UK GDP data for Q4, the first reading of that data, bang in line with expectations at 0.5% and plus 1.9% for the year. So what does that do to sterling? Well, not a huge amount. Slight gains we've seen very initially. Just trading 42.50 prior to the release. It's now 42.80. So about 30 ticks up actually. But slight gains that we've seen in the reaction to that. So pretty decent reaction initially. But looking at the sort of charts, we're seeing this play out as a bit of a consolidation pattern, really, that could turn out into a base pattern. The 43.50 is the resistance, continues to come in, and again, look at this coming back towards the support. Sorry, wrong way. Coming back towards the support. 42.35 was that old pivot. And again, providing support today, bounced off that, so you're sort of within that range of sort of 120 or so ticks, and you're pretty much neutral on these momentum indicators, aren't you? Again, just turned up, so you're sort of still, you've just turned up on the MACD and the stochastics, but still within 30 and 70 really on the hourly RSI, so you're still playing that sort of neutralish game near term. Now, we're still playing out potentially for a break of this downtrend. Yesterday we saw, zooming in, a correction back into that downtrend. Again, you're testing it today. So we're still looking to sort of possibly break that downtrend, and as I said, that possible base pattern on that hourly chart. You're seeing the momentum indicators much better. The RSI has picked up. Again, the MACD lines crossing over. Stochastics also recovering, so we're seeing the possibility of a bit of a recovery going on if we can break above that 43.50 area, which is that resistance. Even you can see her here on the daily chart, where the old support becomes new resistance. Breaking above that, as I said, opens the opens further gains towards initially 44.90, which is sort of the old support on the hourly chart. Old support becomes new resistance. Let me just show you. Zoom out. 44.90. Old support becomes new resistance. So that's where you're looking at as your next sort of band of resistance, but certainly this could well turn out to be a recovery, and 40.80 up to 43.50 is what, 270 ticks. We could still see a move back towards sort of 46 area, I think, is a possibility if this base pattern does break out to the upside. So there is a possibility of a recovery, but still trading sideways at the moment, still considering whether we're going to break that downtrend or not. But certainly this GDP data seems to be supportive of cable today. 42.90 as I speak, so 40 ticks up on the day. 40 ticks up since that data release. So pretty decent reaction. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.